Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create label in Google Ads. You see, labels in Google Ads are a fantastic way to organize and manage your campaigns, ad groups, ads and keywords because they act like tags, allowing you to group related items together for easier analysis, reporting and optimization. Now I'm going to show you how to create them. The first method for creating them is by using the Google Ads interface. How do you do this? In Google Ads account, go to the campaign, ad group, ad or keyword you want to apply a label to. Then check the box next to the items you want to label. Click the label drop down in the blue banner that appears at the top of the table. Click New Label. Enter a name for your label. Choose a color to visually identify it and add an optional description. Then you click Create to save the label and then click Apply to add it to the selected items. Second method is by using Google Ads Editor. You can open Google Ads Editor and select the account you want to modify. Then you click Get Recent Changes to download the latest campaign data. Then in the left sidebar under Manage, click Account Level to expand it and then click Shared Library. Then select Labels and click Add Label. Name the label in the edit panel and choose a color. Then select the items you want to label. Click the Labels tab in the edit panel and then add the labels. It's as simple as that. Those are the two ways to do it. Now it's important for you to note that you should use clear and descriptive names for your labels to make them easy to understand and use. Choose colors that are meaningful to you and make it easy for you to distinguish between the different labels. You can apply labels to campaigns, ad groups, ads, and keywords, giving you flexibility in how you organize your accounts. Once you've created labels, you can use them to filter your data, create custom reports, and analyze performance by label. Let's look at the benefits of using labels. 1. Organization. Group related items together for easy management. 2. Analysis. You can analyze performance by label to identify trends and opportunities. 3. Reporting. You can create custom reports based on labels to track specific metrics. Next, automation. You can use labels to automate tasks and make changes to groups of items at once. So by using labels effectively, you can significantly improve your Google Ads workflow and make it easier to manage and optimize your campaigns. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.